Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. So this video is new mining set, but I will to review it because of this site is old site. So if you want to know this site, please keep watching my video uh, and stay with me. Before I introduce my YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. It has a two-part. One part crypto related video uploaded in this, and other part travel related video uploaded in this site. If you get any information, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fastly. Already I have a 394 members, so I hope join my YouTube channel and also stay with me. Here is a many type crypto related video uploaded in this site, so I hope you will watching this video you will benefit from this site. So I also try to show you in how to earn from this site in payment for site in this video. Okay, so if you get any information, please type here, and every video comment box you can share your opinion. I hope I try to good feedback to you. So I introduce my Telegram group, which name is BTS Satoshi Gift Card Exchange. If you get any information crypto related, please join my Telegram group. Already 128 members in my Telegram group. So I hope you will joining my Telegram group. If you have core mining, if you want to increase your mining power, please joining my Telegram group. Share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. I hope anyone can respond to you. So other information crypto related video uploaded in this site, so you can easily joining this site and easily earning by this site and get any information from my site. ওকে, আমি আশা করি আপনারা এখানে জয়েন হবে আমার টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপে। তো এখানে আপনারা ভালো পরিমাণ কিছু একটু ইনকাম তো করতে হবে ভাই, তো সময় থাকতে এখন জয়েন হন। অনেক টাইপের আপনার এখানে ইনফরমেশন দেওয়া, প্রত্যেকেই নতুন নতুন তাদের নিজস্ব সাইটগুলো নিয়ে কাজ করেন এবং এটা খুব ভালো। সো আপনারাও এখানে সাইটে জয়েন হয়ে কাজ করুন। তো আমিও আশা করি আপনারা জয়েন হবেন। আপনারা আপনাদের হ্যাশ কার্ড এবং গিফট কার্ড শেয়ার করবেন। এখানেও সবাই কিন্তু শেয়ার করতেছেন, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। আপনারাও জয়েন হন, শেয়ার করুন ভাই কার্ডগুলো, এবং মাইনিং পাওয়ারগুলো ইনক্রিজ করুন। মাইনিং পাওয়ার যদি আপনি ইনক্রিজ না করেন তাহলে কিন্তু আপনারা হেরে যাবেন। ইফ ইউ ডো নট ইনক্রিজ ইউর মাইনিং পাওয়ার, ইউ টোটালি লুজ। কোর ইজ দ্য লিড অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড। ওকে, কোর একটা সময় অবশ্যই লিড করবে ইনশাল্লাহ। এটা ভাই আমি জেনে শুনে বলতেছি, জেনেই বলতেছি। Okay, now I go to my main topic. This is the new old mining site. This site name is BnB site. So it's a multi-benefit in BnB. It's how to join this dashboard. Basically, is the site dashboard. Deposit, if you want to deposit, please click this option. Okay, buy mining power, referral, and also reward. So this site is introduced by CC, C++, Polygon, digital currency, Denson and Custer, Husky, GBP, Sub Angel, Containing Capital, Meta Stable, so Gen Fund, so অনেক টাইপের লোকজন এখানে কিন্তু, and also Binance also they provide you this site. So um, this site is a real payout site, so you can easily join in this site. How to join this? You go to your wallet, BnB wallet, and you need to BnB BEP20 wallet needed, and just share how to get this link. I hope when I video uploaded, you can easily click this link and easily join this site. It's real payout site. I also trusted. I show you. Okay. Also joining this site in a few days, few months ago. Okay. So now I pass my wallet address. Okay. Also paste my wallet address and now connect. Click option. Login successfully. Show here. Already mining. I mean, also when you join this site, you mining is 1 TS per daily profit. How to mining increase your mining power? The one referral is joining this site. So BnB's me right up now to 24 payout site, real payout site at tracking address, so you can easily join this. You can no withdraw. I also, except I need to this value when I use this value, and you when if you deposit, if you want to want no you don't know, you do not want to invest this site, you need to 1 TS power. When you when you reach this amount 1 TS power, sorry 2 TS power, you will easily join withdraw this site. Minimum withdrawal balance 0.01. Okay. Deposit, if you want to deposit, you can easily go to this and paste this and easily minimum deposit limit 0.02 BnB. Okay. Okay, withdraw. You need to 0.02 BnB, otherwise you cannot withdraw. And let us show you features. Okay, real-time payout site by power. You need to 1 TS power by the 0.12, otherwise not, you cannot withdraw from this side. 2 TS power needed, now you cannot withdraw. আপনারা এখানে 2 TS না হলে পারবেন না, আর আমি তো বলছি 0.02 BnB হতে হবে। সো রিওয়ার্ড পয়েন্ট, এখানে রিওয়ার্ড পয়েন্ট আছে, আপনারা দুইটা সাইটে জয়েন হবেন। এখন আমার নাই, তো আমি এখন দেখাতে পাচ্ছি না ওই রিওয়ার্ড সাইটটা। তো you must be 1 TS bonus or reward. You joining this two option and you get 1 TS power. And how I want to buy my mining power. Okay, here is the show. Now I type 1 TS and I also buy mining power from my. Okay, yes, alhamdulillah, it's gone. I will buy this mining power. Okay, in future when I use this amount, I will withdraw from this site. Inshallah, I will make this video. If you like, if this video, if thinking this video useful to you, please like this and don't forget my subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.